watch the original video first.
The ghost guys, you guys about having a girlfriend. Text ring. Stop right there, you blackguard burglars! I'm sorry for help! For what? Wait. Yeah! Hey! Come on, man! Come! Step 4 for Ghost Guide to be.
I'm the cameraman!
Time to regain health and ammo. That's it.
Damn! Damn! Damn!
What happened here?
Thanks for watching Guys Got to Have a Girlfriend behind the scenes, and I hope you laughed as we did while filming.
And if you want to see more funny stuff, go on our Facebook page in the link in the description, or just go on Facebook and type Glossy Films without spaces. And if you want to know more things about what we are doing, just go on our Twitter. Just type @GlossyFilms. Thanks! By the way, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Bicycle Fitches, cause again, we are watching you.